Meet M. Sivasamy, a potter based in Karumathampatti near Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. He has built a clay refrigerator that can be used to store vegetables fresh for up to 4 days. He calls it the earthen refrigerator. The fridge is simply a cylindrical earthen pot with a plastic tap. The vegetables are stored in a separate pot that can slide into the bigger one. It sits inside the pot like a float with a layer of water around it on the outside to preserve its contents. Sivasamy says the vegetables stay fresh for up to 4 days when preserved this way. The fridge can also be used to store eggs, milk and curd. Earthen pots are popular for their petrichor smell, a constant reminder of rain and earth. Sivasamy says that vegetables stored in this earthen refrigerator too carry that fragrance. Sivasamy says that the idea was mainly to help run a sustainable kitchen. The earthen refrigerator comes in 2 sizes, 2 feet and 2.5 feet in length. It is priced at 1,600 and 1,800 and can be shipped across India.